Welcome to the Recipe Tales. I'm a Thermomix advisor and an independent consultant. This is my Thermomix from Germany, and it is the smallest kitchen in the world. So let me show it to you what it is like. So this is the lid, and let me put that, and this is the jar. It's 2.2 liters with a blade, and it goes clockwise and anti-clockwise. And as I'm cooking, I'll show you the functions of it. So let me put this back, and we have two arms over here to protect it. So then we have a simmering basket whereby we can wash our rice, our fruits, our vegetables. At the same time, we can weigh it too. So I'm going to place this assuming that I have put water in here, and I've put rice grains in here. Place it like that, cover it. So it is 50 grams of water or 100 grams of water you can hold in. You can pour to it, and let me close that, and I'll be cooking my rice. And that is how simple and easy it is, all done in one jar. Okay, so let me go on and show it to you some other features of what Thermomix is all about. Now, if I've cooked my rice, I have my spatula, and this spatula has got various functions. We can scrape all our vegetables using the edge, or we can use the edge over here, placing it. Once the rice is cooked hot, we take it out this way, and we place it on a plate, right? So then we have another functions of the features that I'd like to share with you, whereby this is the splash cut. This is when we are applying high heat cooking, high temperature cooking. We'll place it on to protect the oil from splattering out or onto our face. So this is called the splash cut, and all this comes along when you own your Thermomix. Now this is an extra gadget which is called the blade guard. I normally cook my beans. I boil my beans and I place it inside to protect the blades from cutting my beans when it is cooked. Then comes the next one, the aroma dish for steaming. So assuming we have put water in here, we use this called the aroma dish. We can place our vegetables in it, or you can put a whole chicken in it to steam it. And you place the next one, maybe a fish. If it's fish, it may let go down, so you can use a stainless steel plate, place it on the top, and you can cook multi-layered cooking. That means to say you have the rice cooking there, your vegetables are getting steamed, or your eggs are getting, you can make your own omelette just like that by breaking up and putting it. So there are all these recipes available in your Thermomix, the Cookie Dough platform. So let me introduce to you the panels that we have now. So there are 3 panels to it. So this is the first panel where you search for your recipes if you have not downloaded your recipes, and it is multi-language recipes that you're available, international ones. Then you go on to the next panel. This is where we do most of our cooking. So even though we have 2 ways of cooking, one is guided cooking, and the other one that you want to do it independently with your own traditional recipes that you have, and you can use that. So all we have to do is use the time, the temperature, and the speed. That's all you need to know in cooking any dish that you want. The next panel that I slip, this is where all your functions are. There are about 22 functions, and the most important functions that I find in my Thermomix is the weighing scale. It is inbuilt, so I don't have to have a separate weighing scale, and every time I'm cooking my food, has got a consistent level of ingredients in it, and I weigh my water, my sugar, and my oils, which is very important when you want to get good flavors and fragrance in your dishes. So these are the various other functions that I have, and as we are using different recipes, I will go in detail to show you how we are going to use those functions. So this is the general picture of the Thermomix that we have. with a simmering basket and a splash guard to help us in our cooking. And I'm so glad to own a Thermomix that is really versatile for Asian cooking, Western cooking, or just a simple making of porridge. It just works wonders. My name is Sushila Patel. This is the Recipe Tales, recipes with a modern twist.